Hello friends, for the same chapter triangle, today we are taking a new topic, that is median of a triangle. So friends, at first, what is median? Median means a segment joining a vertex and midpoint of opposite side is known as median. In this figure, when we see this triangle ABC, point D is a midpoint of side BC. When we join this point D with opposite vertex, that is A, we get this segment AD, and this segment AD is nothing but the median of BC from A. Okay, so what is median? A segment joining the midpoint and the vertex of opposite angle, means AD is a median. Segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is known as the median. In this figure, AD is a median. In this way, it is possible to us to draw the three medians of a triangle. Like taking the midpoint of AC and join from B. Suppose this is BE is another median. When we take the midpoint of AB and join with C, this is the third median. In this way, there are three medians to each and every triangle. Okay friends, median मध्यगा. मध्यगा म्हणजे काय? त्रिकोणाचा शिरोबिंदू आणि त्या शिरोबिंदू समोरील बाजूचा मध्यबिंदू यांना जोडणारा रेषाखंड म्हणजेच मध्यगा. अशा पद्धतीने कुठल्याही त्रिकोणाला आपल्याला तीन मध्यगा काढता येतात. किती? तीन मध्यगा आपल्याला काढता येतात. त्यानंतर मित्रांनो, महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा आहे की या तिन्ही ज्या काही मध्यगा आहे, ऑल द मेडियन्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर कॉन्करंट. कॉन्करंट मीन्स the segments which intersect to each other at one and only one point, those segments are known as the concurrent, and that point is known as point of concurrence. Here this is the point of concurrence. In case of medians, the point of concurrence of the medians is known as the centroid. So friends, when we see this another figure, that is the same figure here, triangle ABC, the midpoint of BC is D, so here median is AD. F is the midpoint of side AB. When we join this F with C, this FC is another median. And point E is the midpoint of segment AC. When we join this E to the B, that is BE is the third one median. In this way, there are three medians, and the point at which all these three medians intersect to each other means concurrent at a point. That point of concurrence is known as centroid, which is denoted by G. Here, point G is a centroid. It is known as centroid. Point G is a centroid. So the property related to this centroid, that is centroid bisect the medians in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 means AG is 2 times than DG. Means when we write this, AG is to DG is equals to 2:1. Is 2:1. Similarly, this BG is also 2 times than GE. CG is also 2 times than FG. So this is the centroid formula. What is centroid formula? The centroid bisect or divide the medians in the ratio 2:1. The greater portion is towards the vertex. That is AG is 2 times than DG. BG is 2 times than GE. In this way, we also write BG is to GE is equals to 2:1. And in case of this median CF, that is CG is to GF is equals to 2:1. Okay friends, this is the centroid. Okay, related to the median drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. म्हणजेच काटकोन त्रिकोणाच्या कर्णावर काढलेली जी काही मध्यगा आहे या मध्यगेचा गुणधर्म. So this property tells us if a median drawn to the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is half of the hypotenuse. The median drawn to the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle, this is half of this hypotenuse. Means friends, when we take, suppose consider this figure in triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. So side AC is a hypotenuse. When we take the midpoint of this hypotenuse is, suppose that is D, and join with B, so BD is a median to the hypotenuse. So according to this property, the length of this BD is half of this hypotenuse. Means BD is equals to half of AC. This is the property related to the median of hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Friends, on this property a theorem is given to us in the textbook. So we have to study that theorem, and the meaning of this theorem is like this: the length of this median drawn to hypotenuse is half of the hypotenuse. Okay friends, काटकोन त्रिकोणाच्या कर्णावर काढलेल्या मध्यगेची लांबी ही कर्णाच्या लांबीच्या निम्मे असते. म्हणजे मध्यगा ही कर्णाच्या निम्मे असेल. जर कर्ण जर 10 असेल तर मध्यगा होईल 5. कर्ण 20 असेल मध्यगा होईल 10. अशा पद्धतीची ही प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजे गुणधर्म आहे. तो आपण समजून घेतलेला आहे. तुम्ही याच्याशी रिलेटेड जो काही प्रूफ आहे पुस्तकात दिलेला तो अभ्यासा, नक्कीच तुम्हाला समजेल. ठीक आहे मित्रांनो, आपण या ठिकाणी या व्हिडिओमध्ये थांबतो आहोत. धन्यवाद.